Hey everyone, and welcome to my course on how to ride a motorcycle. My name is Matt Laidlaw, and I've been riding my entire life. My father had me riding motorcycles at a very young age. Just about after I could walk, I was riding motorcycles. I currently am in the motorcycle industry, and I buy and sell thousands of motorcycles. What I'm going to teach you in this course is from ground one, or step one from ground zero. I'm going to teach you how to ride a motorcycle, the certain steps and techniques that you need to do and you need to hone as you progress from being a beginner rider all the way up to an intermediate rider. Now, to enter into this course and to learn, you don't need any prior experience in riding motorcycles at all. I teach you everything from zero experience all the way up to an intermediate to advanced rider. Now, a couple things we're going to go over in this course. I'm going to show you where to find your first motorcycle, about how much you should pay for it, approximately how long you should have it and ride it, and what to look for to determine when to move on to the next bike. I will show you how to flip that motorcycle and get about what you paid for it, if not exactly what you paid for it, and be able to move on to a new bike. If you already have a motorcycle, that's great. You may not need to focus on that section as much. But then I will show you exactly what you need to do from starting off on a motorcycle from your very, very first time, and the techniques and the exercises that you need to practice as you make baby steps and slowly progress in a safe manner up to an intermediate rider. I have a lot of detailed video of me behind the handlebars showing you exactly what I'm doing with my hands, exactly what I'm doing with my feet, things that you need to do to stay safe on the road and to gradually progress. Appreciate it, guys. I know I have a lot of information that's going to be very valuable, and information that you're going to be able to utilize and apply to riding a motorcycle. Thanks a lot, and we'll see you out on the road.